Deployment with the Russian Air Forces of this awesome all-weather fighter and attack single-seater is planned for 1995. Four tons of weapons were carried on the 14 store stations for its demonstration at Farnborough. The four planes, working away like a seal's flippers in the more extreme manoeuvres, were first used on a naval folding wing version of the Su-27, with which, apart from the naval equipment, the Su-35 has much in common. In the Hook, which is a knife-edged Cobra and quite bewildering, it's meant to be in combat, an alpha pitch of up to 140 degrees can take place. There have always been innumerable updates and variations on Russian military